This picture hanging kit from Mr. Pen is actually pretty sweet. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different compartments of things that you can use to hang your pictures. What's really neat about this kit is it does come with a picture wire and then a bunch of tools that you can use to fasten into picture frames to make it easy to hang pictures. So basically, if you have any picture frames but they don't have any way to mount them, then you can use things like the wire and then also things like the brackets for the frames to screw them in and then make it really easy to have a wire to hang it on the wall, which is very convenient. Also in the kit are these little brackets that you can easily nail into the wall and then hang your pictures directly from these little hooks here. And it's nice that you have a lot of different options here because if you have a really heavy picture, you can actually use this one, which takes 3 screws or 3 nails, which will make it really easy and really secure to go into your wall. If you have lighter weight pictures, you can use something like this one, which is also not so heavyweight, but also if your pictures are very light, you don't need anything super heavy duty in your wall. What you can do is then use the included nails that come with the kit and then thread them through the actual attachments for the hooks. So it's like this. You have your little hook here and then you thread your nail through that little hole and then you could secure this into the wall. And I've noticed that because these come at a little bit of an angle, when you drive the nail in, you're going to get a little bit of extra security because as the weight of the picture is pulling down on these hooks, you are getting a little bit of security on the nail kind of resting in your drywall here. The kit also comes with a couple different sizes for your nails, so if you have different size holes from the attachments to actually hang your pictures from, you're all set. The gold accents are actually very nice to have on the nails and the picture hanging hardware and things like that, but when you actually think about it, you're not really going to be seeing any of this hardware. But in the event that you need to take a picture off, or if, I don't know, you do something wrong and you do see the hardware for some reason, it is nice that it is this gold color. So it can match your accents if you have gold accents throughout your house. And that works really well for me because you can tell I have a ton of photos and I also have gold accents everywhere. I always like to have a bunch of these hanging around in case I want to hang new pictures or if I want to upsize a frame in an existing spot and need more security. So if you found this review helpful, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.